Thank you for watching this series of videos produced by CircuitsAreFun.com demonstrating the assembly of the Elenco Model AM780K AM radio kit. A companion document clarifying and correcting the manual that comes with the kit may be downloaded by visiting the link in the video description below. This first video briefly discusses the suitability of the Elenco AM radio kit for the beginning solderer as well as the tools needed.
This radio kit is a good one for a beginning solderer, perhaps not the very first kit you would work on, but one of the first few. It is straightforward. The spacing between the components is wide enough that beginners are not going to have too much trouble with solder bridges. And most importantly, the manual is very well made. It does have a few errors and a few confusing parts, but for the most part, I don't think you're going to find a manual as good as this for most kits that you'd look at. Because of the usefulness of the manual and the ease of assembly, I would recommend this as a beginning kit for anyone. Here are the items you will need to assemble your Elenco AM radio kit. First of all, eye protection. Soldering is a fairly safe activity, but sooner or later there will be a solder spatter or a flying lead, and it's important to have eye protection, not just for the person soldering, but for the other people in the vicinity. You will need a soldering iron. This is a hobby level iron I purchased through Amazon. It's not something the pros would use, but it works just fine, especially for a kit like this. You'll need needle nose pliers to bend wires. You'll need wire clippers to clip wires. You don't need anything this big. That's what I happen to have in the garage. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a small Phillips head screwdriver. And you'll need a pair of scissors to cut all those bags. You'll also want to have a 9-volt battery, a fresh 9-volt battery. This is not something that's necessary to build the kit, but in order to operate your radio, you will want to have a battery. What's not included here? Well, solder for one. The kit includes solder. You do not need to purchase any solder. This is lead-free solder. I used it to build the kit and I thought it worked just fine. I recommend that you use the solder that comes with the kit.
Not sure of your soldering skills yet? Watch this video to learn from the CircuitsAreFun.com soldering tutorials, or watch this video to begin assembling your kit now. If you have any questions about the material presented, please leave it in the comments section below. See you in the next clip.